Hey kiddos, we're going to be doing grade 5 Envision math, topic 3, lesson 5, distributive property. And what distributive property is breaking apart the problem and distributing it to each part of the problem. I know that's confusing, but I'm going to show you and it's going to make a lot more sense. So we are working on the reteaching paper for 3-5. So these are the problems that we're going to work with, and we'll go ahead and get started on them. Number 1. If I had 3 times 42, what I could do with 3 times 42 is I could break this 42 up. So I could break it up into 40 and 2. I still need to multiply 3 times 40 and 3 times 2. So essentially, we're going to be able to do this in our head. So our first problem would be 3 times 40 plus 3 times 2. All right, so we can do this in our head. What's 3 times 4? Well, 3 times 4 is 12. And what's 3 times 0? 0. Plus, what's 3 times 2? 6. And what's 120 plus 6? 126. So 3 times 42 is 126. You're just breaking the problem up each time. All right, let's do number 2, 39 times 5. Number 2, 39 times 5. We're going to break up the larger number. So it will be 30 and 9. So we would do 30 times 5 plus 9 times 5. Well, 5 times 3 is 15. And 5 times 0 is 0. 9 times 5 is 45. What is 150 plus 45? 195. 39 times 5 is 195. $195. Now we're going to break this number up here into 3 parts. 6 times 147. Six times 147. We're going to break it up into 3 parts. 100, 40, and 7. Oops, 7. All right, so 6 times 100 plus 6 times 40 plus 6 times 7. First one, 6 times 100 is 600. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 0 is 0. And 6 times 7, what is that? 42. All right, let's add this up in our head. 2 plus 0 is 2. 4 plus 4 plus 0 is 8. 2 plus 6 is 8. 6 times 147 is 882. All right, let's do 19 times 70. Number 4, 19 times 70. We're not going to break this number up because there's really no point, but we can break this number up, 10 and 9. So 10 times 70 plus 9 times 70. We know that 1 times 7 is 7, right? And then how many zeros do we have? We've got 2. 1, 2. What's 9 times 7? 63. We got 1 0. If we were to add this up in our head, 0 plus 0 is 0. 3 plus 0 is 3. 6 plus 7 is 13. 19 times 70 is 1,330. 1,330. All right. So we would continue to do the same problems with breaking up the numbers and adding them together. All right, guys, if you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.